And we begin with the man charged in the murder of a 4-year-old boy in court today, but on a different charge. Terrell Chase was one of several men accused of taking part in a deadly drive-by shooting in 2017.
And Chase was found guilty back in May, a felon in possession of a firearm. Erica Hernandez takes us inside the courtroom as a member of the gang that Chase was involved in testifies about that deadly shooting.
The specifics of a gang rivalry being revealed in the 437th District Court. Charles Bethany, a member of the East Terrace gangsters, on the stand testifying during the sentencing hearing for Terrell Chase. Chase, one of several men who was arrested and charged in the deadly drive-by shooting that killed 4-year-old DeIrvion Whitley back in July 2017. Chase, back in May, was found guilty by a jury for the charge of felon in possession. Bethany telling the court that he and Chase were members of the East Terrace gangsters. He says at the time the rivalry between their gang and another called the Skinny Block was getting worse.
Terrell Chase blamed Skinny Block and the Whitley family for shooting up the Clay meat market. Is that correct?
Yeah.
That shooting, he says, then led to the drive-by shooting in which Bethany says he saw Chase with an AR-15 before they allegedly shot at the home DeIrvion Whitley was in.
There was going to be a response.
Okay. And by there was going to be a response, you meant by Chase and some of the other people, correct?
Yes.
Bethany, who did not take part in that drive-by shooting, says he later saw Chase and the other co-defendants in the case.
Did Mr. Phillips verbally admit to you that himself, Mr. Chase, Mr. Chapman, another individual, had just shot up Earl Whitley's house?
Yes.
Chase is facing a maximum of 10 years for that felon in possession charge. This sentencing hearing is expected to wrap up tomorrow. As for the murder charge, Chase and his co-defendants have yet to stand trial for that. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.